Discrimination is everywhere. There are a lot of discrimination that can either happen even in the workplace. Mark have realized once she entered the hotel, her dreams will come true.
Morning. Morning, give me take this. So, how are you? You're okay, you're good. First, before we start, I will introduce to you our company. Our company is the finest company among them, and our company is very competitive. But when it comes to Multan University, we have a strong cooperation with that. So before you start your job today, I will introduce to you your companions to your work or to your work field. Are you ready to meet your companions? Yes. Oh yes, let's call them first, okay? Oh, morning. Nena, I will introduce to you your companions for your work. Meet Kifi and Deck. Yes, his name is Deck. So, before you start your work, you will have your tour with our company and you need to be comfortable with that. Sure with that? Okay. So, here's your work file. You may start your work today and congratulations. Yes, sir.
Sir.
May Pilipino pala kayo?
Oo. Alam mo ba, dito sa Pilipinas, kahit maraming trabaho man yung binibigay sa amin, okay lang kasi maayos naman magpasahod yung mga boss namin.
Nag-asawa pala sa Pilipinas? Ah, taga-Tondo ako. Kayo? Ako QC.
Ako din sa QC.
One of the Afghan workers have accidentally touched Nana, and her Filipino co-workers make a big deal out of it.
Hi, Mark.
On the side, they are having rumors with one another. As they pass by, they do not talk with Mark. With that being stated, Mark felt depressed as if she was unable to welcome. As she video chat with her family, she opens up what happened. Mark becomes very weak, and in that case, she was unable to deal with the circumstances she was dealt with. Due to that, her family advised her to go to the Philippines, which seeks a psychiatric consultation. After several sessions, Mark becomes fully okay, and that makes her become more aware, and she was aware on how to set boundaries with the people around her. As she continuously introduces herself, she is just being true to herself. She has realized that no matter what she does, there are people who will tell something about herself.
That's good to hear, okay? Let me, again, you can now work with our company, okay? Sir, thank you, thank you. Good luck sa iyo, Mark.